Welcome back to Nature's Marvels, एक hobby. Today's marvel is the beautiful waterfall of Sharavati Hills. When the golden rays of the sun gently illuminate the landscape, there is something magical about witnessing the beauty of waterfalls in Sharavati Valley. As the pristine waters cascade down, surrounded by lush greenery, these hidden gems offer an enchanting experience for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. One of the most captivating waterfalls in Sharavati Valley is Godangundi Falls. Nestled amidst verdant greenery, this hidden gem is a true marvel of nature. To reach this enchanting destination, you'll embark on a sunrise trek that will leave you breathless. As the first rays of the sun touch the landscape, the beauty of the valley unfolds before your eyes, bathing it in a surreal glow. The journey to Godangundi Falls takes you through a pathway that winds its way through the lush forest. As you make your way, you'll be surrounded by the symphony of nature, with the melodious chirping of birds and the gentle rustling of leaves. To reach the hidden waterfall, you must first cross the revitalizing river that flows through the valley. Once across, you'll continue your journey, walking amidst the wonder of the valley. Finally, as you near the Godangundi Falls, you'll be greeted by the captivating sight of pristine waters cascading down from great heights. The serenity of this unexplored gem will mesmerize you, transporting you to a world of tranquility and peace. Take a moment to immerse yourself in the beauty of nature and let the sound of the cascading water wash away your worries.
रास्तों की बन गए हो मंजिले मुश्किलें हल है तू ही से या तू ही हो मुश्किलें तुम क्या मिले.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Nature's Marvels, एक hobby. Thanks for watching.